Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. If you're like me and have a passion for technology that borders on obsession, then grab your virtual shields, because today we're diving into the wild and wacky world of cybersecurity. We're breaking down the top 5 skills every cybersecurity professional needs to not just survive, but thrive. Like that one plant you forgot to water for a month and it's still kicking. Whether you're a newbie or a seasoned pro polishing your skills, this video is your golden ticket. So let's jump right in before the hackers realize we're here. First up, we have network security. Think of it as the bouncer at a really cool club. You need to know how to keep the riffraff out while letting in the VIPs. Understanding how networks function is crucial. It's like knowing the secret handshake. You need to protect data as it travels across various networks, spot vulnerabilities like a hawk eyeing a juicy critter, and implement security protocols like firewalls and intrusion detection systems. Trust me, a solid grasp of network architecture will help you keep those pesky unauthorized guests from crashing your data party. Next on our list is threat analysis and risk assessment. Imagine you're a psychic, but instead of reading palms, you're predicting cyber threats. Cybersecurity is all about anticipating what the bad guys are cooking up before they serve it.
Ew.
You'll need to analyze potential risks to your organization and understand the sneaky tactics of cyber criminals. It's like playing chess, but the stakes are your company's data. You need to assess the likelihood of various threats and implement strategies to mitigate them, ensuring your organization is prepared for any cybersecurity incident, like a superhero, but with fewer spandex suits.
Where is my super suit?
Coming in at number 3, we have problem-solving skills. Now, this isn't just about following protocols. It's more like being a detective in a cyber whodunit. When a security breach occurs, you'll need to channel your inner Sherlock Holmes, quickly analyze the situation, identify the source, and devise a solution. Think of it as a game of whack-a-mole, but with hackers popping up everywhere. Being able to think on your feet and tackle unexpected challenges is vital in this field. Unless you trip over your own feet. Then it's just embarrassing. Fourth on our list is communication skills. Many people underestimate this aspect, but it's like trying to explain a meme to your grandma. Essential. Cybersecurity professionals often need to explain complex technical concepts to non-techies who are just trying to keep up. Whether you're writing reports, giving presentations, or collaborating with team members, clear communication is key. If you can articulate risks and security measures effectively, you'll be the hero of your organization, and you might even get a cookie or two for your efforts. And finally, we have continuous learning and adaptability. The world of cybersecurity is like a roller coaster, always evolving, with new threats and technologies popping up like weeds in a garden. To stay ahead, you must be committed to lifelong learning. This could mean pursuing certifications, attending workshops, or keeping your eyes glued to the latest cybersecurity news and trends. Being adaptable will help you respond to changes and challenges in this fast-paced environment. Think of yourself as a cyber ninja, always ready for the next challenge. So there you have it, a brief look at the top 5 skills every cybersecurity professional needs. Network security, threat analysis and risk assessment, problem-solving skills, communication skills, and continuous learning and adaptability. Mastering these skills will set you on the path to a successful career in cybersecurity, like a knight in shining armor, but with a keyboard instead of a sword. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more tech insights. What skills do you think are essential in cybersecurity? Let us know in the comments below, and I promise I won't judge your answers. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video. Hopefully without any security breaches.